Let me talk to you, show you what love can do. I wanna see you move. I know you can feel it too. Let me talk to you. Love can do. I wanna see you move.
Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets, and for the people that don't know who I am and what we do as a company, Flow Brackets sells premium number plate solutions. And today we've got a very interesting video that is a bit of a behind the scenes video, and something that is very rarely documented on our premium services, especially tailored for our interstate clients who don't have access to us. We come to you. So today I'm going to take you on this journey where we install number plates on a client's Ferrari 458. So if you are an interstate client, we do offer a wide range of premium services where we can tailor make a custom solution just for you and your car. Whether that would be to fly to you twice, meaning we'd fly to you once to get a 3D scan of your car, come back to our facility, unpack that data, design and develop something, and then fly back to you to install your custom solution. Or whether you find a way to bring the car to us, either you can drive it to us or tow it to us so that we can get a 3D scan data, and then we can fly to you to install, or maybe we can send you the parts with a bit of a tutorial so that you can install it yourself. So we're happy to work with you to create a custom solution that fits not only your schedule but your budget as well. Now, if you're wondering if we can get some scan data off another car, in some cases we can, but in some cases we can't. It really depends on your car, especially cars like the supercars, the Ferraris or the Lamborghinis that come in very different specs. So another customer might have a very similar car, make and model, call it a Lamborghini SVJ or a Ferrari 458. They might come with a bit of a different setup, and that data that we scan of that car might be slightly different to your own personal vehicle. So we have to realistically scan your own personal vehicle so that we make sure that we get the correct data and we can design something very specific for your car. We've just arrived at this customer's house. It's a beautiful day, the sun is out, and I have to show you what we're working on. Come and check out this beautiful Ferrari 458. But before I show you how to install number plates onto this car using the custom solution that we've designed specifically for this customer, I have to take you back to last week when this customer actually came into the shop. This customer actually purchased this car in Victoria, and on delivery day when he flew down to pick up the car, he drove it to our shop so he can get it 3D scanned. So we're currently in Melbourne. The 458 has actually just left a couple of days ago. Unfortunately, we didn't have any time to grab some footage of how it did look like, but I'll pop up some images here and there so that you can have a look at what it did look like. That car came in for a 3D scan so that we can collect that data, transfer it onto a computer, and actually model a solution in real time. And I'm gonna get Hung to actually explain how that works.
So as Ben said, every car starts with a 3D scan. So what we've done is we've taken a very detailed scan of the Ferrari, which is here. And then what we do now is we just put it into our software to develop a part. So now that we can see it, how it looks like with a number plate, we can go and design our plinth and any alignment tools that we need to make sure that the part is nice and centered and the plate is in the correct location just the way you want it. So the design process is fairly straightforward. So once we've got all that information, all that data, and it's in our software, all we've got to do is make sure that all the parts line up correctly and everything fits nice and snug. So we've got it here. We've made a centering tool for this car. So because the bumper is very smooth, there's no reference points, we need to create these additional parts to ensure that it's in the right spot. So usually this process will probably take a few days for us to develop, but we can generally get a part to you by the end of the week. So now we're going to go back to Ben in Sydney and he's going to show you how to install the part.
So now that Hung's explained how our solution works for this customer, let me show you in real time our two-part mounting solution. So we call it a two-part mounting solution because it is a modular system. Modular meaning that you can interchange different parts according to what you want to put on the car. For example, our miniature plinth will go onto the car, but then you can use a number plate bracket to attach to it, and depending on the style and size of number plate that you want, you can interchange brackets accordingly. So the way that this will work is it'll come with a jig. Now this alignment tool or jig is going to go onto the prancing pony that sticks out, and that's going to align it from left to right so that it's completely in the center. Then we're going to push it up against the bumper on that hard ridge there, and this is going to stop it from rocking left and right this way. So it's going to stop its rotation, so you know that it's going to be completely center and then completely straight and parallel. And then once this part is permanently affixed to the car, whether you want to use the double-sided tape method only or you want to use a screw method, if you are running heavy plates, it doesn't matter. There's two ways you can mount it on. Then all you need to do is get the right number plate for your bracket and mount it to the car so that you can attach the number plates on. And that wraps up our mounting solution for this customer in Sydney. Now, if you guys need us to tailor make something for you and you are an interstate customer, we're happy to work with you, whether that be to fly to you first, get the 3D scan, and then come back, design something, and then go back to you to reinstall the entire solution. We can tailor that for you. Or whether you want to bring your car to us, either personally drive it down, or you get your car shipped to us on a flatbed or enclosed trailer. Then we can 3D scan it, work on it, and then ship the car back to you. Or if you're buying a car from Victoria, swing by our factory first or our facility and our site there where we can 3D scan everything, and then we can fly out to you. There's also another solution where once we've got the 3D scan data, we can actually create the solution and send it to you and guide you through with a video tutorial. So happy to work with you guys. We tailor to everyone's budgets and needs. Reach out to us if you are that person. And that wraps up our installation in Sydney. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more of this style of video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.